In today's class, we are going to discuss about exercise 5.3. Question number 3, subdivision 7. A is equal to 8 and AN is equal to 62. SN is equal to 210. Question is find N and D. So by using the given hints, AN is equal to 62. AN is equal to 62. Substitute the nth term formula. We know that nth term formula A plus N minus 1 into D. This is equal to 62. In the question, they are given the value of A. A is equal to 8. So, A value is 8. N minus 1 into D is equal to 62. From this, N minus 1 into D, this plus 8 change in right hand side becomes minus 8. 62 minus 8. So, N minus 1 D is equal to 62 minus 8. 54. Now we have one equation like N minus 1 into D is equal to 54. Take it as 1. Another one is they are given SN is equal to 210. SN. So SN is equal to 210. SN formula. N by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula of sum of n terms. They are given sum of n terms equal to 210. We are applying the formula here. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to 210. We have only a value. A is equal to 8. Now, n is equal to 2 into A value is 8. N minus 1 into D. N minus 1 into D. We have an equation. Equation number 1. N minus 1 into D value is equal to 54. So for N minus 1 into D, we can substitute here 54. 210. So here N by 2. This division changed into right hand side becomes multiplication. Now we have N into 2 8s are 16 plus 54 equal to 0. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 420. Now 54 plus 16, 70 equal to 420. Now we need to find the value of n. So 420 divided by 70. So the into 70 changed to right hand side becomes division 70. 0, 0 cancel. 1 7 is 7, 6 7s are 42. So n is equal to 6. The question they are asking, find n and d. N and common difference. Now we got the value of n. N is equal to 6. And then we have to find the common difference. N is equal to 6. Substitute in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is given n minus 1 into d is equal to 54. Equation number 1 is n minus 1 into d is equal to 54. The value of n is 6 minus n value is equal to 6. 6 minus 1 into d is equal to 54. 6 minus 1 becomes 5. 5d is equal to 54. Therefore, d is equal to 54. Into change into division. So common difference is 54 by 5. In this question, they are asking two questions. One is find n and the common difference. A value of n is 6 and the common difference is 54 by 5. Okay, next one. 8th subdivision. Given an is equal to 4, common difference is 2 and Sn is equal to minus 14. The question is find n and a. Like last question, we can solve here. An is equal to 4. So an is equal to 4 means we can write nth term formula a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. We know the value of common difference. Can substitute here. We don't know the value of a. N minus 1 into common difference is 2 is equal to 4. If you multiply here a plus, if you multiply here 2 into n 2n. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now a plus 2n. Minus 2 changed into right hand side becomes plus 2. Now we have a plus 2n is equal to 6. Okay. Now this value of a is equal to 6 minus 2n. This 2n changed into right hand side becomes minus 2n. Consider this is number 1 equation. Okay, next we have a sum of n terms, that is Sn is equal to minus 14. Take this Sn is equal to minus 14. We know the formula to find the sum of n terms, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 14. Here n 2a n minus 1 into d, n minus, so multiply, we know the value of d is equal to 2, so n minus 1 into common difference value is 2 is equal to minus 14. This division 2 changed into right hand side becomes multiplied by 2. Now we have n is equal to 2a. We multiply here 2n minus 2. 2 into n, 2n. 2 into minus 2, minus 2 is equal to minus 28. Okay. And then we can substitute the value. See, from equation number 1, the value of a is equal to 6 minus 2n. We can substitute here. So n 2 times of a. A value is 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2n inside the bracket 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 28. Now we can solve here n is equal to, sorry, n into 2 6 are 12. 2 into minus 2n, 4n. Here again plus 2n, here minus 2 is equal to minus 28. Arrange the equation. Minus 4n plus 2n. Minus 4 plus 2 becomes minus 2n. 12 minus 2 becomes plus 10 is equal to minus 28. If you multiply here, minus 2n squared plus 10n is equal to minus 28. So change every equation into right hand side. So plus 2n squared minus 10 minus 28 is equal to 0. This terms are changed into right hand side. Okay. Now we can divide it by 2 because all the terms are multiples of 2. So if you divide it by 2, we'll get n squared minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation n square minus 5n minus 14. By solving this, by using the factorized method, minus 5 minus 14. The product of the factors are minus 14. So we can choose as 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. If we add, we will get minus 5. So we can use the symbol minus 7. So the factors are 2 and minus 7. If we add, we will get minus 5. If we multiply, we will get minus 14. So the factors are 2 and minus 7. So by using the factorization, we'll have 2 factors n plus 2 and n minus 7 equal to 0. N plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to minus 2. Like that, n minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to plus 7. So negative value is, the n value is equal to minus 2. This is not possible. Not possible. Not possible because n is here negative. So this is not possible. So the value of n is equal to 7. The question is find n and a. Okay. N value is equal to 7. Then what is the value of a? You can substitute here equation number 1. Equation number 1 becomes here a is equal to 6 minus 2n. A is equal to 6 minus 2 into A is equal to 6 minus 2n. Instead of n, now we can substitute 7. So 6 minus 2 sevens are 14. The final answer is minus 8. This is the value of A. N value 7 and A value is minus 8. Okay.